K-12 and today I'm going to work on project number 8, that is rainbow display. I'm super excited for this one because this sounds really interesting. So let's go. First, I will connect the power to the slide switch and then the slide switch to the red LED. Then I will repeat this process for both the other LEDs and the switches. Let's go. Power to the switch and switch to the green LED. Then power to the switch to the blue LED and the negative to the ground. Now, when I will turn the switch on, the blue LED will start to shine. Let's see. Now let's try the green one. Now it's time for the red one. See how easily you can make the single LED shine 3 different colors just using 3 different switches. And